नासा सेज कि भगवान शिव की इमेज दिखाई देती है, भगवान शिव का चेहरा दिखाई देता है कैलाश पर. इज दैट ट्रू? हैज नासा सीन भगवान शिव?
I've heard about this. I've seen the video, or I think it was. See, I don't really get too much into what these entities say or they project. But I know for a fact, Ravya, that when you see the Kailash from certain angles, it gives you a feeling of a form of an angle from which you can see a form of Shiva. It could also be your own very deep reverence to Shiva, that you start seeing Shiva. Okay. Now, I know that there was one couple with us. I won't name them. But I remember we were there, and they said we can see the form of Hanumana, the shape and form of Hanumana. Like we were standing, I couldn't see it. They could see. And they wrote a book on it, and they mentioned that. So they could see it. Now, I saw there is one part which looks like the formation of Om on Kailash.
Right.
From a distance. I saw that myself. There are two ways of looking at it. One is your own, because of your sincere bhakti towards your Ishta or your Devta. You feel that, and you feel you've seen it, and you may be seeing it because the angles can be that way. The other is sometimes such energies, वो आपको दिखाते हैं कि हम हैं. They show themselves in that way.
Yes. Does Shiva reside there, Kailash par? क्या सच में है ऐसा?
My answer to your question is this entity, who also is one of the, according to me, Devon ka Dev, Mahadev, which means even from a yogic point of view, matlab yoga may be one of the most advanced yogis, is Mahadev. And if the Rinpoche monk could climb up the Kailash, if Hira Khan Babaji has climbed, and maybe there are others. Mahadev is a much advanced yogi.
Yeah.
There are yogis who meditate in caves in the Himalayas, right? Different caves in the Himalayas or in the forests of the Himalayas. There are yogis who are meditating right in front of you, but you can't see them.
Okay.
Mahadev, I believe, because I saw that mountain, I'm 100% sure that Yogi Mahadev definitely meditates there. But does he live there? वो live का definition doesn't apply to the yogi like it applies to us, okay? बैठ के ऐसे नहीं है. They're different beings. I don't know how to give you an example of different beings. You heard of Kumbh Mela?
Yeah.
Kumbh Mela, if you go, you'll find, आपको अगर आप जाती है तो एक बात है, आप YouTube पे भी देखो, because you can see the visual. There are certain entities who will be doing tapasya in such a way कि वो लोग, मतलब एक योगी है जो एक पैर पे खड़ा है for 21 years.
Okay.
उन्होंने संकल्प लिया है. Sheer willpower. 21 years एक पैर पे. एक योगी है जो मैंने देखा था, वो हाथ ऐसे ऊपर करके for n number of years, मतलब जो उनके गुरु बताते हैं या वो संकल्प लेते हैं. Now एक पैर पे 2 घंटा is going to be like a challenge. 21 years.
21 years.
हम 21 minutes खड़े रहेंगे तो भी लगेगा yes. एक हाथ ऐसे. Now they do that as a way to challenge themselves to go closer to Shiva with their willpower. And that is also part of sadhana.
Okay.
वो तीव्र हो जाती है साधना. Because at a point they lose the consciousness of their body. Similarly, जैसे ये entities हैं, इस प्रकार के वो क्रिया करते हैं कि हम अचंभित होते हैं, like what really? And they're like us in the human form. Mahadev is another level of a yogi. तो वो they don't live there, right? जब भी उनका शायद होता है कि they'll be there for 8 months, 9 months to do a particular sadhana, they'll be there. That Mahadev yogi may not be only confined to Kailash.
Okay.
Because we are not the only habitable planet with spiritual entities. हमारे जैसे काफी सारे प्लैनेट्स है, ऑफ कोर्स काफी सारे प्लैनेट्स है, ऐसे सिविलाइजेशंस हैं which could be either extremely advanced or which could be very very regressed. हमें पता नहीं है, but there are no. We cannot be the only planet in this zillion solar systems यार.
Yeah.
तो फिर जैसे महादेव एक योगी है जो हमें इंस्पायर कर रहा है through his shishas,
Yeah.
जैसे अघोरी है, जैसे नाथ पंथ है,
नाथपंथ, yeah.
they're all carrying the messages of महादेव. वैसे मैं समझता हूँ महादेव यहाँ पे आते हैं, वो और भी जाते हैं, इंटरस्टेलर वो जाते हैं. आई बिलीव सो. वेयर साइंस हैज एंडेड, स्पिरिचुअलिटी स्टार्ट्स. Scientists were not the first people to know that Earth is round.
Yes.
Many things have been mentioned in the Vedas by the rishis. So, ऋषियों के ऋषि है महादेव.
Mahadev.
So, therefore, when they meditate at Kailash, they don't live there. They of course come there to perform certain kriyas. They also, I'm sure, have interactions with the earthly spiritual beings. कि आगे कैसे, how प्रचार कैसे हो
Okay.
of